Graphing. The slope of a line. Slope is a measure of the slant of a line. So it is a number that will represent how steep the line is. We can look at slope as a ratio of vertical change compared to horizontal change. So how much it changes up and down compared to how much it changes across. This is also called the rise over the run. We often use m to represent the slope. That is standard. Let's think of some examples of slope in the real world. First, we have stairs. If you can look at a set of stairs from the side, so you see in a cross section, you can see how much you go up compared to how much you go over. Up and over. A roof is a perfect example of looking at slope. How steep is the roof? How much does it go up as it goes over? And for my last one, I just put two triangles, but I was trying to show a ramp. And if you were doing a handicap ramp, you would not want it to be too steep. The top one would give us a better idea for a ramp because its vertical change is smaller compared to its horizontal change. If we go back to thinking of lines, your line would be like the hypotenuse on this right triangle, or the edge of the roof line, or if we laid a board up the edge of the stairs. So now we'll talk about lines, but you can kind of relate it to the real world. Let's look at 4 cases of slope. First of all, if we have a line that goes down as it goes to the right, this will have a negative slope. And we always talk about going to the right. If a line goes up as we go to the right, this will be a positive slope. A vertical line will have an undefined slope because if you think of your ratio, your numerator, your vertical change is changing. But your horizontal change is not. It's 0. You are not moving across, and you're not allowed to have a 0 in the denominator. So anytime you have a 0 in the denominator, that is undefined. So vertical lines, undefined slope. And a horizontal line will have a 0 slope. From our ratio, vertical change, there is none. You are going at the same height all the way across. But you do have horizontal change. 0 divided by anything gives you 0. We will find the slope of the line 3 ways. First, given the picture or the graph, we will count from point to point to get the vertical change over horizontal change. Second, given the equation. And third, given 2 points on the line.